Hi, I'm Chef Viraf, and I'm just walking into this gorgeous place called Ifbi, and we're walking towards the Banyan Tree Cafe. When I first walked in, the glimpse of the gorgeous banyan tree comes to light, and it's been a great inspiration for the Bombay menu, cafe style menu that we're doing here at the BTC. So we're actually situated inside the first ice factory in Bombay, if I'm not wrong. And this is where ice used to actually be transported out all the way to Singapore and things like that. So in the courtyard of the Banyan Tree Cafe, and just under this amazing banyan tree, as you can see, the architecture of this 145-year-old structure has really led to some really inspiring things. You've got to try the new menu, which is a simple cafe menu, which doesn't go out and doesn't make you think too much. It's easy to order, easy to eat, and we've got some interesting Bombay-based cheese that have been added to the menu, and there's a lot of nostalgic menu items that it's a no-brainer. Just order and eat. So as you can see, the space has also inspired a lot of the dishes in terms of how they look. So we have a tiramisu that we're serving here, which is actually inspired by this lovely roof above me. And yeah, we look forward to having you here. So when we talk about locally sourced, it doesn't mean that it only has to be the fruits and vegetables that are from around the region. What I'm doing today is putting together the Bombay cheese plate, and all these cheeses are actually made right here in Bombay, and they're of top quality, international quality. In fact, some are even award winners, like this one from Eleftheria here. And we've got the spotted cow fromageries, Tom de Bombay, and the Bombay. So I'm just going to put it together. Locally sourced cheese. So I've got the Brunost here, a couple of slices of that. I've got the Bombay, a couple of nice chunks there. This is the Tom, another version here. A little bit of this lovely caramelized cheese, some fruit, a couple of grapes out there, just to bring in a bit of sweetness. Of course, a bunch of locally sourced crackers. And this is something we make in-house. It's a multi-seed cracker with chia seeds that bind it together, flax seeds, sunflower, all that in there. Lovely, crispy, textured crackers to go with this lovely little cheese plate. So what I'm going for next is one of my favorite dishes on the menu. It's an apple salad where I use green apples and red apples, a bit of arugula, a walnut dressing, and I just put it all together with a bit of seasoning, that's all. For this, I just slice up my apples. Walnut dressing, which is just olive oil, parsley, lemon juice, and crushed boiled walnuts. So a little bit of that in there. A bit of seasoning, some salt, some crushed pepper, a nice pinch of parsley. And then we just toss it together with a little bit of olive oil. That's ready there. Just a bit of lettuce. I'm using arugula because of the bitterness. Again, it helps the walnuts to stand out. And just plunk these guys on top. This is again one of our really simple dishes. It's a seared rabas, of course, a very prized fish. It's also called the Indian salmon or the white salmon. We get it from a local supplier. It comes in fresh every day or every second day. We do this with a very simple lemon caper butter. So back in the kitchen, I just seasoned it with salt and lemon juice. I tend not to use too much pepper where it's not required. And then we serve this up with a very creamy mashed potato. Just dollop that there. A good piece of fish. And of course, the lemon caper butter, which is simply olive oil, garlic, some capers, some lemon juice, and a good load of butter. And that just goes on to the fish there. Finish off with a little piece of lemon, some dill for freshness there, and a good sprinkle of parsley.